Hi, this is VR 3D. Is that my name for real? Okay, that's my name because that's what I want to do. I've been looking into virtual reality VR, and I am kind of your average garage hobbyist, um, inventor, kind of. Like, there's my printer and stuff. A little bit of some computerage. I build this is all 3D printed stuff here. And you can see the gearing in there. Alright, so it's kind of spring loaded, and then this is like a helicopter built with some variable rotors and quadcopter thing. And so it's taken a long time because the printer, your average person printer, this is about $1,000 print bot. It was originally $700, but I got the upgrade wired thingy on front, and the better power supply, the better nozzle, whatever. Maybe it's like 8 or 9, whatever. But to print just kind of a piece about this size, something like that. Like, this is actually 2 pieces. One of those pieces takes 2 hours. I think, you adjust the speeds and then whatever it does, and you can get it between an hour and 3 hours, something like that. So that's a long time. And when you're using a drafting program, like I use Google Sketch, it's just a free one. You can draft and prototype a lot faster than you can print. After you print it out, you can print out to the 0.1 millimeter or 3 millimeter or something, and you have to make tiny changes. Like, here's a little bit of gearing, and so you got to kind of get things to fit together correctly. So those gears right on each other. So you go through. This is hopefully we can see this huge box prototype pieces that are no good, just printing over and over and over. And I printed some wings and stuff. But so here comes the virtual reality. I guess you can get the best system for about $2,500. The HTC Vive, I guess it is, and it comes with a computer. You can do an Amazon thing, but it doesn't have anything like Google Sketch or a drafting or a CAD program for printing 3D. But they got, it looks like a kind of an MS Paint, and it looks really great in there, but you can't do straight up squares and circles and whatever you need to do to draft to print out on one of those. So I'm hoping, I'm projecting, I'm asking out there, maybe by the beginning of next year. That would be so awesome. To be able to have a part right in front of you and turn it and spin it, expand it, and push sides in, whatever you need to do to shape it, and walk around. And then this will probably be a little bit further down with more computing power, but bring in other pieces and build up like a full build, and you can see how all the pieces would fit together. And then so have it in the space, and you're spinning, you're able to look at it all. You could make way more changes and get it much more closer to a final product. So that would cut down development because you'd be printing out a lot less. Those prints take so long. So, man, once that happens, you can develop in VR and print out a 3D printer. That's all I want to do. That would be so cool. So here it is, my first video. This is kind of to get ready to release version 4 pieces of this tilt rotor, and just kind of an intro. I don't know, I guess maybe daily blog logs, vlogs. So, wow, thanks for watching my first one. I guess VR 3D out.